Hello guys, we are playing some little of sounds. Somebody's here. Okay. Look. Okay. Granny, bro, stop. Stop. Bro, this granny sucks, bro. What is this code? What is this code, bro? What is this? That one time out in the video. Okay. Uh, guys, we are playing Granny Multiplayer, but the next video is an obby. It's gonna be good idea. What is the screen? That's good. Okay, I'm good. I just go back. A lot of no's. He failed, bro. He failed. Insane. Oh my god, man. Guys, we are in my friend's house recording this. As now, my other friend is recording. I have no idea, but check out his channel. Get some help. Get some help, man. Get some help. Okay, what the hell are you doing? I'm dead. I don't wanna die, but I got luck. That sucks. That gun is slow as hell. Oh, that was great. Get some item and prepare out. This is war now, buddy.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
Oh my god. That gun is low. Okay, you already got stuck. Unfortunate. What would you jump? What did he jump, bro? What did he jump? This guy's stuck. Please get out of here. My goal is get out of here. I've got only one life. If I succeed any way to escape, so in the video. I need a watermelon. First slice down. Oh my god.
Hello guys.
We are back. We got only two life. But we stuck. That's good. Okay. My god, bro. No one find anything. Stupid, bro. They're not even opening it. Bro. I'm opening it. They're useless. Still finding the book to get the spider key. We're getting the spider, guys. Spider key.
Any offer?
What the hell is that? Amen. Open the door. We got nothing. Oh my god, this is useless place. This is useless, bro. This is useless. There's only way to survive here. Some items. Oh, here. There. Daddy. You're so useless. Can you even find it? You got no eyes. I got the part. I got the part. I got the part. Go down, go down, go down. We're out. 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 Okay, guys. You see me in another channel. Okay, we're both ways to record this video. Both ways to record this video. And it's stuck. Okay. Manana, oy! Manana!
Nag-record na ka?
Guys,
Nag-record
we're
na
back.
ka? Ha?
Hello guys, we're back. And we are so okay.
Game naman.
Man.
Ama.
Okay, we're back. We are now friends home. We're trying to record him, but he's already new. Lillian. Okay, we're back. Get the picture. I don't like it. Nope. Nah, I need it. I need something. Oh, I got. I don't remember I got this. Got the main. Got the main. He's in the. Oh my god, bro! I need a screwdriver. Where's the screwdriver? Where's the screwdriver? Okay, I need a weapon. I need a weapon. I need a weapon. If I die just now, we're out. We're out. Hello guys. He is coming. My friend is coming just now. It's inside. Look at him. Okay. Look at this. Skater GG joining you. Joining me just now. We need help. Caesar! Caesar! We need help. Right? Okay. We need him. We need the. I'm trying to escape Granny. Trying to escape Granny. Oh, I see him. Okay, we're going. I see you. I see you, bro. We're recording just now. It's this day at my friend's house. This is my friend's house in Bagutini. Storm Tini. I'm in Philippines. Okay, we got it.
Live stream na ako.
Yes. Yes.
Guys, we're playing
Granny multiplayer.
Granny multiplayer.
Other recording. Check out the channel. The first video was here. But
I
now.
really so pro with this game.
I'm
really pro.
okay. Oh, guys.
Yes, I guess. Game.
I see the other recording. This is completion. This is not right. Only one video at a time. Not a video 2 times inside a one room. That's insanity. I need to find. Oh no, I need to find it. It's over. The time is over. And the video is this time. Go. Go. Mana ka recording? Guys, I need to cut that.